Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin C. First, always start with a clean canvas. Gently wash your face to remove any impurities and pat it dry. This ensures your skin is ready to absorb the serum effectively. Next, dispense a small amount, usually 2 to 3 drops, onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully before moving to the next step in your routine. Choosing the right vitamin C serum is crucial for optimal results. Look for products containing L-ascorbic acid, which is the most potent form. A concentration between 10% and 20% is generally effective for most skin types. Also, pay attention to packaging. Dark, opaque bottles help protect the serum from light and air, which can degrade its potency. This ensures your product remains effective for longer. For best results, apply your vitamin C serum after cleansing and toning, but before heavier creams or oils. This allows the serum to penetrate deeply without obstruction. Give it a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before applying your moisturizer and, most importantly, your broad-spectrum sunscreen. Consistent daily use, especially in the morning, maximizes its antioxidant protection against environmental damage. To get the most from your vitamin C, avoid common pitfalls. Do not layer it directly with retinoids or alpha-hydroxy acids, as this can reduce efficacy or cause irritation. Use them at different times of day. Always store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to prevent oxidation and maintain its potency. Remember, consistency is key for visible improvements. Also, for staying hydrated throughout your day, check out the link in the description for the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.